I thought I would explain to those of you that got this question wrong how this question works here. To understand it, we need to understand the difference between ionic and covalent bonds, right? So remember, an ionic bond forms between a metal and a nonmetal. And in an ionic bond, electrons are transferred between two or more different atoms to become ions. So what happens in an ionic bond is that the metals will lose electrons, nonmetals gain electrons. So we can see here we have two elements, beryllium and fluorine. And what happens here is we get the transfer of electrons. You're going to notice in this diagram here, if we look closely, that fluorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell. Now, in my diagrams, I actually like to pair them up so that we can see that more readily what's missing, but we can see that we're missing one. So what happens here is that electron will get transferred over there to fill that outer shell of one fluorine atom. Now that means that the beryllium still has one more, but it would transfer that to another beryllium atom. So what do we have happen here? Okay, fluorine's going to gain one electron in its outer orbit. Yes, because it only has space for one more. Okay, beryllium's going to lose both of those. Yes, that's true. And 2 fluorine atoms are necessary to build the compound, right? We need one more to fit that other electron. So that is true as well. So there you have your all of the above.